What's this song?
Rain.
Alright.
General Shao. Movado. Cyrax. Ying Fortress.
Winners
We lost,
final.
General.
Let's
the
get it.
war's over.
That was just the opening skirmish. Round
Hater. No, Rob, please.
Let's get
Movado,
big ball.
Shao Movado. And Bandinoz on range Cyrax. Interesting.
It's that damage.
I'm 20%. He's more than
No,
Janet.
throw combo.
Oh my god. I hate throw loops, bro.
No, say Joe. Oh, you didn't go for it. Forcing the block though. Oh my.
You guys see me? Oh. Why is he at forward two? Why is forward two?
Needs it.
Why? He really doesn't. Oh, I hit Movado. Oof.
Out of here.
Round 2. Fight.
Oh my.
Mix
Daniel got this turn in the back. At least still got BWood and Joystick to go against.
and pains. And Goon. Goon's
The
delicious.
Gooster. Yeah, I think Goon's got this. Didn't spend bars.
Double cancel. We're going for a ride.
Oh, you went back throw?
Whoa.
Oh, he just did it. Oh, that cancel out so quick.
Oh, so
He
that's a
could have gone for
block.
overhead again. He could have gone for it again.
Oh no, he's dead. Wait, maybe. No, he's dead.
Think so?
Definitely. Rain kills. Maybe not. He's dead.
I think he's dead. He's fucking dead. He's more than 2 more hit. Okay, barely though.
Finish him.
Dang, 1-0. I need to change that command to say like crossplay tournaments every Wednesday.
Crossfit tournaments, double shit. Yeah, so much time on your hand, but you don't even want to change it. Huh?
Hey, Bandinoz, if I was you, I'll search home winner right now.
General Shao. Cyrax. Kano. The Great Hall.
This isn't a fight I've ever wanted.
Then why did you choose it, Rain?
Rain does not want to be involved in any of this shit. Why do he even help out? Fucking. Another Logan Paul song. I'm gonna kill myself.
Yep, skip so fast.
Back to the Kano though. Oh shit, man. Full stringer.
Oh, the 4-1.
4-1. 4-1.
He probably tried to OS it. We probably did OS it. I'm sorry for you. I had to skip it. The train. Oh, what was that, bro?
You passed him down.
Oh, by this setup after a grab is crazy.
No, he guessed right. But no punish. I'm gonna put a full screen.
Oh my, he's building so much meter.
Building meter too. That's not gonna
20
stop
seconds
him.
left.
He's got full bar now. And he wasted Kano.
You can't hold back the
Sheesh.
Round 2. Fight.
He uses gaming. I mean, as he always is, but just gaming.
Oh, the mix. Oh, he tried it. He tried it. Who's that? Down 3? What's so far?
Down 3 hits a cancel.
No.
They thought Shao's down 3.
I've never seen it.
Logan some heat.
34. Okay, he's dead. Is that okay? Fighting back.
What did you expect? Final round. Fight.
Okay, take.
Big time.
Go for a ride. Oh my.
Tech again. Okay. No tech back.
Guess right, BWood. Guess right. Oh, you didn't.
You guessed right. Any match. Stop it.
You know courage.
Armor. Oh. Okay, gonna get a life through here.
Yeah. Oh, good press. He's ready.
And hit Kano.
Hold on.
Right, he punished the poke with a poke. Oh my god. MK1 things. Nice block.
It happens sometimes. Hold on.
Okay, they're basically even
Press.
life one. Oh, okay, breaker. No, 2-2. The laser now has life lead. Can literally just run. That back. He didn't break.
Finish him.
Unlucky. 1-1. That was so close. Oh, you got an ad? You got 2-minute
Damn.
ad? Just serious?
General Shao.
Getting that right there is crazy, but you know. Alright.
General
Same
Shao.
matchup?
Great.
Same matchup.
Kano. Janet.
Oh, Janet.
Say, I'm
Corrupted
expecting the Janet.
Forest.
Yeah, not playing
Without
around.
me,
Not playing
you'll
around
never
anymore.
Become high mage.
Am I to be in your debt for life?
Round 1. Fight.
The tried and true Bandinoz special.
Start with the 38% combo. Simply. Oh, that's tough.
Into a safe jump.
Oh,
Oh my god, the armor, but the same one was not far enough. So Kano also.
Kano just standing behind. Oh, good block.
He's not dead.
Oh, he tried. He tried.
I'm expecting armor from far. Oh. Just the down one. Okay.
There's no calm, only
Round 2.
Water tentacles. Oh god. Anyway.
Bet 3. Bet 3. Bet 3. I'll swear his name go every dude. Bro, that is stupid. I'm glad they decided to buff that and not Frost.
Why would you want to buff Frost? She has the wall.
Right.
That doesn't work sometimes. The wall, the close.
Oh, that's such a good check tool.
It's so good now. Like, it's actually useful. Because last time, for full screen punish.
Yeah. Oh, there's the back three. Look at that
Wow,
fancy.
that's not like him.
Try to go up the. Oh no, he's whipping Grindhouse. Nah, that's not Bandinoz. 16 seconds. 15. Go watch out for Kano. Good block. 9 seconds.
That is, it's so dumb.
Oh, genius. Put it Janet. Oh, he jumped right over. Oh, no way. No way.
That was such a smart arm.
I was surprised he's down 1. I thought he was like down 2.
You should have. I don't know. That was very, literally last second. 2-1. Oh no.
Bop, bop, bop. Oh my. He needs to damage him.
Shut up, right? You even know your character's stupid. You're over here. Oh no. He needs it. Yeah.
I don't know. 45 is kind
Talking
of
about damage. He just got hit twice. And now, oh my god, BWood back with the lively into one situation here.
It.
Oh, holy
Oh
fuck.
my. And it hit Kano, so it may do.
Dude, he just
40?
ate like 10% shit on that armor just to tie it back up a little.
It's 37.
Wake up, bro. Oh! Got breaker though. You really just ate 3 full hits that each did like 6%.
Go watch out for Kano.
What the fuck? Hit him with Kano instead.
Yeah, he needs to keep putting up bubble.
Oh no, oh no.
Just make chip out.
He can do the end, he just get.
Oh
No!
no way.
He's gonna mash.
I thought
He
we
let
went.
go? What is
That was tough. That was tough.
I think he was expecting the grab, so he just dunked.
Dang. what a match that was.
Oh my god.
And almost 41%, 43% combo. Was worth the axe
Oh.
in Kano ball.
Oh, Adel. Oh my god. Literally your best. It ate the overhead low and the Kano. No, not the Kano. I think it's just 2 hits. Well, whatever. Holy shit.
Yeah, that's only
He
2
ate
hits. But
10%.
sheesh.
He ate 10%.
The Fire Temple.
We lost, General. The war's over.
That was just the opening skirmish. Round 1. Fight.
Alright.
That was fucking
Good armor.
armor launcher.
Don't want to guess. Oh, hit him with this overhead.
Overhead. You gonna do it again? Oh.
You know, sometimes you gotta do double overhead just to see if they react.
Force that overhead into their head.
Yeah.
Get it? Ah, force it into the head. Ah. It's so good.
Oh, he
Fuck your overhead, you said. Fuck that shit. I'm not dealing with
Genius
that.
press.
Who has to guess when I can just press? Ah.
Oh,
he kills
you
me
better
there.
guess right.
We're switching to... Oh my god.
W Kano.
I'm not a projectile. One Kano. One Kano. Oh, he could have killed there.
Hold
Oh, I
on.
don't know about using Kano as in cannonball. No, he believes. I don't know though. It's rain though.
Oh, that was smart. Oh, special.
Oh, it's blocked it. It's so stupid that you can do that. He literally read the poke, flawless blocked it, and he still was able to.
Yeah, that is.
Special. You shouldn't be able to. The special case banned him. Why did you
Bro,
ban
he
him?
hasn't typed in minutes.
He hasn't typed in 10 full minutes and you just banned him. Ay.
Damn. Yeah, we know you back. We know.
Oh yeah, we know Flacco, don't worry. So active, gotta love it. That's a punish. No punish. I was just gonna punish it. Oh, I was supposed to punish it. What the fuck? And no punish on the down 3. What?
Bop, bop. No, he just dashed in his face. Uh-oh. Okay, jump. Oh, he's getting grabbed.
Fight back, man. Fight back. No, don't get.
You hit the brutal?
Where's the
Yes.
fuck? Really?
Dang, GG's. See how the bracket's looking.